We have one more hot day today. We'll take a swing at possibly 90 degrees, and then much cooler weather is moving in, along with some rain showers on Friday, but don't count summer out just yet. There could be more 80s in the forecast ahead. Well, it's going to be a warm one again today. This could be our warmest day yet in this latest stretch. Awfully close to 90, might be just shy of it, but I do think we'll see more widespread 90s in southwestern and south central Minnesota, but it is possible that we do so in the Twin Cities. Got a couple things going for us today. A little bit warmer air being pushed in ahead of the cool front that'll be moving in, but nothing like the heat out west, of course. 3 days in a row, Salt Lake City broke their all-time September record, 106 yesterday afternoon. So to break an all-time monthly record is one thing, but to do it 3 days in a row is another. And this is just a look at one of the high temperature maps across California from a couple days ago. It's been basically the same thing for several days in a row, triple digits for everywhere inland. You got to get right near the water to avoid 100 degrees, and even then some places have. Of course, the fingerprints of climate change have been all over some of these temperatures, not just in the west, but over Minnesota today. Of course, we do get 90 degrees in September, sometime even rarely in October, but to do so now, we've increased that probability by adding more heat to the system. And sure enough, we're seeing on average, just in the last 5 decades, 20 more days, so 3 weeks worth almost, of above normal temperature days in the fall season. And of course, fall's just 90 days anyway, so to add 20 is significant. September, one of our fastest warming months in the year. It's going to be windy today ahead of that cool front. Notice the wind switching out of the northwest and northwestern Minnesota, and here in the southern part of the state out of the south today, but cooler air is coming. You can see the showers starting to form out ahead of that already this afternoon into tonight. This is 2 a.m., so possible late evening, overnight thunderstorms to the north. Maybe even 1 or 2 could be severe, and then as the front sags south tomorrow, we'll see showers here in the central part of the state too, but this is a slow-moving front, still moving through southeastern Minnesota Saturday, even maybe some lingering showers in the morning hours in the Twin Cities on Saturday before it slowly moves off to the south. So as I mentioned, there is a very slight risk of some severe weather, a marginal risk of level 1 out of 5 across central Minnesota into northeastern Minnesota for maybe 1 or 2 storms tonight that could produce some hail or some wind. Not really looking at a tornado threat out of that activity though. So when we look at our blend of the models for the average, it looks like the heaviest rainfall is going to be where that front slows down even more, kind of stalls out. Southeastern Minnesota, eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin. Amounts will be lighter here in central Minnesota, but European model shifts that heaviest area a little further southeast into central and southern Wisconsin. So a little bit of discrepancies here among the models as to who gets the heaviest rainfall, but either way, it looks like the Twin Cities probably won't see the heaviest rain. But look at the difference in temperatures. Tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, highs in the 60s to low 70s. If we don't hit 70 at some point over the next few days, it'll be the first sub-70 high in the Twin Cities since before Memorial Weekend. The 26th of May was the last time we didn't even hit 70. So a cooler pattern over the next few days. This is troughing aloft, which indicates a cooler atmosphere over us. But the heat off to the west is going to kind of regroup. The heat dome redevelops over the southern plains late next week. And this could mean warmer temperatures for us again. Looks like 80s, very possible by Wednesday, if not Thursday, Friday next week. This is the European model, which right now is one of the warmest, and it's more reasonable than the American model. And it gives us mid to upper 80s by next Thursday, a week from now. So don't count summer out just yet. And you can really see the heat, those 90s across the southern plains. 89 today. Again, it is very possible we hit 90. Again, the wind today helping to mix up the atmosphere along with some warmer air moving ahead of that cool front could finally push us to 90 today, whereas the last couple of days it's been a little more difficult. Clouds with occasional scattered showers tomorrow. I think we probably won't hit 70 as a result. If the front slows down more, we might still hit 70. And the 24-hour high tomorrow will be in the 70s because that's midnight to midnight. Cooler weekend. Again, a lingering shower Saturday, but then brighter skies Sunday into especially Monday, Tuesday next week. Lots of sunshine. And back near 80 by Wednesday.